Hi guys, so today we're gonna do a little bio for you guys, just so you guys can know a little bit more about us. So,
I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika.
I'm originally from the Caribbean, grew up in Toronto, Canada, moved to Georgia in 1992, and I started my career working with an interior designer doing window treatments for her for a couple of years, and actually about 9 months. And after that, she said to me, you need to open your own business, because I was doing that while raising my children. This is my daughter, my oldest daughter. I have 4 daughters, and while raising my kids, I sold window treatments. And as I said, after 9 months, I opened my own business, and I did all her window treatments, and I started doing some other things on the side. And that evolved into doing consulting for clients, and then I started charging for that. First it was free, and then I started charging for that, and then from that it evolved into staging model home, staging people's home for sale. And then unfortunately in 2006, I think it was, when the market tanked, I went back to school and got a degree.
Go mom!
That was harder than birthing my 4 children. I got a degree in interior design, and there's where I met the regional manager for Decorating Den, and I worked with a Decorating Den for 9 months, and then I bought my own. So I guess 9 months is the magic number for me. I guess that's 9 months to birth a child, 9 months to make up your mind. So then I opened my own franchise, and it took off from there.
Nice.
And then a couple years ago, my daughter, who has a degree in architecture, she decided to move back to Georgia from New York. Yay! And now she works with me, and she is such a great addition to my business.
Hey.
She has taken us leaps and bounds where I didn't even imagine where we can be.
Awesome. So I'm Sharika. I'm the oldest of 4 girls.
Yes.
From as long as I can remember, we were always going to model homes and getting the floor plan and saying, let's make the closet bigger in the master bedroom. The way they laid out the kitchen is so silly, they should have put an island there.
Yes.
So I think from a very young age, I've always been embedded in design and architecture and structure. So
yeah, that was our Sunday trips. Our Sunday trips after church, we used to go to model home and just get the floor plan and come home and just redraw it. We didn't know what that was, but
it was a step in the path, I guess.
Yeah. And up to today, we can never walk into any space without, in our mind, first thing, redesigning it, either architecturally or the layout, the furniture plan, or something.
It's just a hobby. I think it's definitely a hobby, and it comes very, very natural to us. So I grew up here in Atlanta. I was born in Toronto, grew up here in Georgia, and after high school, I moved to the city. And after that, that wasn't city enough for me. So I said, bye-bye, I'm going to New York.
Sad day, but I had to let her spread the
wings. It was kind of sneaky though, because I went for, I took a semester off of school. Semester turned to, I'm gonna take a summer off, to 10 years later. While I was there, I did do some modeling for many designers in Fashion Week in Milan and Cape Town, South Africa, and that was amazing. And from there, I think it just reached a point where it was like, 10 years in New York is enough. And I really kind of wanted to get like embedded in my career. While I was in New York, I did go to Parsons, the New School of Design, and I got my BFA in architectural design. And then it was time to move back. I moved back, and now we're growing. We're the dynamic duo.
Yes.
So that's a little bit about us in a nutshell. I hope that was informative, and stay tuned for, of course, more makeovers, more design, and see you later.